Welcome to the new Mitsubishi Triton. It showcases a fresh exterior design that seems more muscular than before, which is probably going to go down well for buyers in this segment. At the front is a set of masculine cheekbones, with pumped wheel arches making it look like it's constantly in a flex pose. The rear end is also new and much nicer on the eye than the previous model in our opinion. Payload capacity is slightly down on some of the competition, and the braked towing capacity is just shy of the maximum legal limit of 3.5 tonne. Although the gross combination mass of 5,885 kilos means it can adequately tow heavy gear and still have leftover for payload and passengers. This is the top spec GLS premium variant. It comes with plenty of in-car luxuries and features, as well as the advanced Super Select 2 4-wheel drive system. It includes a rear and center diff lock function and special off-road driving modes. Cabin space is respectable for the dual cab class, with soft seats in the front ensuring decent long-distance comfort. Up on the dash is a 7-inch touchscreen media interface packed with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as sat-nav, digital radio and a rear-view camera. Rear seat accommodation is also good for this class, with enough headroom and legroom for adults to enjoy a relaxing drive. There's also 2 cup holders and power sockets presented, and some interesting climate vents mounted in the ceiling. Under the bonnet, the same 2.4 litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder carries over from the previous model. Despite not really standing out in the class for maximum power or torque, the relatively lightweight Triton offers great performance. In fact, it is one of the quickest dual-cab 4-cylinder diesel utes we've tested. The new 6-speed auto no doubt helps in this area. This is what it goes like.